Hello everyone, very good morning and good evening. Parminder here. So welcome to our session. So in this session, I'm going to explain you how we can go ahead and create our system from scratch. So when I'm saying that system from scratch, it would be any sandbox system, or it would be majorly it would be a best practice sandbox system, which has been given to you. And that sandbox best practices system, we don't want to change the best practice configurations. So what we want to do, we want to guide people if they want to go ahead and play around with the best practice scenarios, they can use the best practice configuration, best practice master data. But if you want to play around more with the config, what we recommend to create your own company codes, your own org structure from the scratch, and then you can play around with the configuration. So I'm going to a system which would be SAP S4 HANA 2020 system. It can be any system for you, which you can use. This is a best practice system. So this system we are going to configure it. So this is in this system. If I go into the SPRO, you will see the configurations, the best practice configuration. US best practice has been defined here. So here, if you go into the company code, so 1710, this is a US best practice company code is there, and all the related master data would also be available in this one. So what we would be doing, we'll copy this and we'll create our full end-to-end scenario for sales and procurement by doing all the configuration. And then once that is ready, then with our own master data, our own company code and plant settings, we would be able to play around with the configuration easily in the system without disturbing best practice configuration. So if you're also working on a best practice system, make sure you don't touch any configuration changes. Not only the configuration changes, you also don't do any changes related to the best practice master data, because SAP has the hundred of scenarios which they have given for best practices. So if you change any configuration or if you change any existing master data, those scenarios would not be working for anyone. So the best thing is that if you want to create a transaction data, full config is available with this company code. You can do it. If you want to play around with the configuration, you need to create your own set of configuration from scratch, starting from company code. So that's what I'm going to teach you. We will create our own company code. The full structure will create it, including finance also, and we'll do one cycle of sales and one cycle of procurement with our own configuration, with our own set of master data. Okay, so in this system, I have also created SG05. SG05 is a copy of 1710. So when you are in the best practice system, either you can copy from 1710 company code. I would be copying it from SG05. So I'm going into the copy company code. I will click it here. From SG05, I will copy, will be creating CS10. We'll be using it for customer services, so I'm creating CS10. Do you want to copy GL account company code data? Yes. Do you want to copy the assignment to the controlling area? Yes. Do you want to allocate different local currency? No, I don't want to do that. The USD, it would be the company code would be in the USD. So I don't want to copy I don't want to transport the number ranges. I will click on no. Now system will take a little bit of time to go ahead and copy all the tables and all the related data. So it will take a little bit of time. Press enter whatever the messages you see here. Create your own customization request. I will create with the number name CS10. Company code SG05 is copied to SCS10, so that's good. So we are good here. So company code copy has been done. The next thing which we'll be doing, we would be creating a uh, um, plant. So plant also I will copy. So I have SG05 plant. You can copy from 1710 plant. So from SG05, I'm going to copy in CS10 plant. Number ranges, no, I don't want to transport number ranges. So my plant also got created. My company got get created. What I need to do, I need to change the assignment because we have done the copy. So automatically this plant will get copy to the SG05 company code. So I need to change the assignments. Uh, but before we go to the assignments, okay, let me do that assignment first. Financial accounting, assign company, uh, not in financial accounting, in logistics general, assign plant to company code. So our plant which we have created is CS10. Okay, so you can see the CS10 has been assigned to SG05. So that one we need to delete it. So it's saying that the grouping would be changed. That configuration will do it later. But right now I'm deleting it, and then I need to save it. Now we'll add a new entry, company code CS10 assigned to plant CS10. Save it. So that is done. So we have created a company code, created a plant, and assigned both of them. Now in the definition, because we need to do sales and procurement, I would go ahead and create my sales organizations. So sales organization also you can create your own sales organization, or you can also copy the sales organization. So I'm going to copy the sales organization. So from SG05 I will copy to CS10. So CS10 sales organization has been created. Then we need to do the distribution channel. Distribution channel also I will copy from distribution channel SG to CS. So CS already exists. So I will change it to ZS. So the distribution channel we have created ZS. Sales office, sales group I am not creating. In materials management, I will create a story location. My plant is CS10. So under the CS10, you can see that already inbound warehouse, outbound warehouse story locations are there, and story locations also has been copied from the plant we have copied. So story locations are also copied. Purchase organization. Let me also uh, so SG05 purchase organization. Let me copy this one. CS10 purchase organization. You can change the descriptions. I have not changed it, but you can change the descriptions for all of the org structure which we are creating, replace with CS10. So my purchase organization also has been created. In logistics execution will require shipping points. So let me also create a shipping point. Shipping point also I will copy from SG05. I will copy to CS10. Transport number ranges, no. Okay, so all the enterprise structure has been created. Now we'll do the assignment. Plant assignment we have done. We'll do the sales and distribution assignment. So sales organization CS10, we want to assign it to our company code which we have created, that is CS10, and save it. Then distribution channel to sales organization. So CS10 to ZS, we can say the entry is already there, and CS10 to CG entry is also there. So let it be there. Division to sales organization. Division is 00. So CS10 to 00 entry also existing here. Set up sales area. So sales area would be CS10, ZS, distribution channel, and 00. So this is also available. Sales office, sales group, we don't want to use. Sales organization to distribution channel plant. So CS10 with ZS has been assigned to the plant CS10. So that entry is also available. This is done. Let's check the materials management. Purchase organization to company code. Purchase organization CS10. I will assign it to company code CS10. Then assign purchase organization to plant. So we don't have an entry for CS10 here. I will enter CS10 to CS10. So my purchase organization also has been created. Assign standard purchase organization to plant. It has been used in different scenario. So I will assign CS10 here. So I'm not explaining what this configuration is because that we explain it in our different trainings. So this is a specific video I'm creating it to make sure by following this you would be able to set up your own. So the problem we face that the system we give it for trainings or the sandbox system which has been provided, people start doing changes on the standard org structure and then best practice scenario doesn't work. So that is the purpose so that you can utilize this video and you would be able to create your own structure. This is done. Logistics execution, assign shipping point to plant. CS10 is the plant. Let's see if the shipping point has been assigned. CS10 shipping point is assigned, so we are good. So this part has been done. So my enterprise structure has been done. So the next part would be that we need to go ahead and we need to do the financial configurations. So that is the next part which we'll be doing it. Okay, guys, let's do the further settings now. Let's go into the finance to do the financial settings. I will go into the financial accounting global settings, and global parameters for company code. So that we need to put. So here we need to create a couple of things. So let me show you first. Let's say if we review the SG05. So chart of accounts will be using YCOA. Credit control area also we use YCOA. Fiscal year variant also I will use K4. The field status variant we can use this one, and the posting period variant also we can use same, or we can create our own field status variant and posting period variant. If you want to do the changes with the posting periods, somebody open, somebody close, you want to control your own. So we can create your own posting period variants. And if you also want to change and play around with the field status variants also, you want to make fields mandatory and optionals, then we need to create our own field status variants. So we'll create these two variants as our own variants. And then we'll assign to the global parameters. So within the ledgers, what we need to do, we need to create a field status variant. I will go into the fields, define field status variant. The standard is 010. From 010 we have copied SG05. Now I will copy this SG05. Let me go back. The 2 has been selected. So this will create CS10, our field status variant. this has been copied. Let me save it. Field status variant has been saved. Then assign company code to field status variant. We'll not be doing from here. Sometime if you do here, some inconsistency comes in the system. So we prefer to do it from the global company code settings. So field status variance has been done. Then second thing is the fiscal year and posting periods. So fiscal year and posting period also, I will go ahead and maintain fiscal year variant. Fiscal year variant will be using K4, so that is not required. We'll use the standard one. Uh, let's go to the posting periods. Define variants for open posting periods. So let's do that. So that we can copy from 1710. I would copy from SG05. I will create CS10 and here also I will put CS10. Copy it, save, done. Then I will do open and close posting periods. So what I have created, I will do open and close. So we can copy from 1710 or we can also do SG05. I will do SG05. So this part will be copying it. And we'll replace with CS10. So some things, if anything you want to play around with, some things we are using standard. Anything you wish you want to play around with the configuration, you'll have to always create your own or copy the existing and create your own. Number of entries copied 7, save it. Okay guys, we are good now. Let's assign the global parameters to the company code. Global parameters for company code. Enter global parameters. And we'll go to our company code CS10 and here I will replace these two. Field status variant, I will put it CS10 here. And posting period variant also, I will put CS10. So global parameters has been added to our company code. CS10. So CS10 is ready. Global company code parameters has been added. Now we will go into the general ledger accounting. We'll go into the master data, GL accounts, preparation. Now, chart of accounts we have already used YCOA, so we'll be using the same chart of accounts. We are not going to change it. So let's quickly check it that our company code is assigned to chart of account YCOA. So that's fine. So now I will go here, GL account creation and processing. Create GL accounts with reference. Here for the company code CS10, I need to create from reference 1710 we can do it, or we can also do it from the reference SG05. So CS10 a reference from company code 1710, this one we will be using it. So these are the all company codes, so I will select all of them. Okay, and then we need to create these GL accounts. To the company code CS10. So it looks like with the copy which we have done, this accounts has already been created. That's good. If in your copy the accounts has not been created, then with this option you can copy the account from one company code to the another company code. Let's also check the account determination. So account determination is also done. Account determinations has also been copied. So I will come back. Now, one thing which we need to do, so this is the financial entries for the OBYC settings which has been copied because the account determination has been copied, but there is still one thing we need to do. So I will go into the, for that I will go into the materials management, valuation and account assignment, account determination without wizard, group together valuation areas. So our CS10, I will group with valuation group code 001 so that the same account determination which has been used for 1710 or SG05 can be used. So valuation group code I am assigning 001 here. So this one also has been done. Apart from that, we need to do one setting in logistics general. Let me check if it has not been copied. We need to assign our company code and we need to put a current period there. So let me check that. So that would be there in logistics general. So logistics general is here. Material master, basic settings, maintain company codes for material management. Here I need to check CS10 has been maintained with 2020 year and the period 11. So that is also fine. We are good with that. Now, the another thing which we need to do is that because it is SAP S/4HANA, whenever in SAP S/4HANA you create a plant, you need to activate the material ledger. It is mandatory. Otherwise, the master data part you would not be able to create. So we will be activating material ledger now. Okay, the transactions are OMX1, OMX2, and OMX3. But I will also quickly show you the path. So path would be under controlling. So under controlling, product cost controlling, then your actual costing and material ledger. And these are the assigned currency types, assign material ledger types to valuation area, activate material ledger for the valuation area. So let's first assign to the valuation area. So CS10 is already assigned with the material ledger type 9000. That's fine. This setting is fine. Activate for the valuation areas. Not check, we want to just activate. CS10, I will tick it here and I will mark it 2 here. And then I will save it. So data has been saved. Our material ledger settings has been done. It doesn't mean that the material ledger has been activated. We need to activate the material ledger. We need to make it this valuation area as a productive in material ledger with CKM start transaction. Okay, you can go ahead with CKM start or I will also show you the path for that. It's an easy transaction. So it would be under accounting, controlling, product cost controlling, actual costing, material ledger. I think it it will be under these environments, production startup, SAKM start. So here I need to put CS10. I will remove this background processing and test run, and I will execute this. No errors or successful messages. Our material ledger has been activated. So most of the configurations we have done. So what I will do that there will be some configuration which will be missing. So when we'll be running a scenario, it will be throwing some error. Based on that errors, we'll do that fixing, and we'll do the remaining configuration. Now let me quickly create master data. So I will use a material which I will upload the inventory, I will buy, and I will also sell. So I need the procurement details, I need the sales details. So that's what material I will create, which can be used for both. CS10, I'm using it here. CS10 finish 01, that is my material. Material type I will be using FORT, finished product. So I need basic data views, I need sales views, then I need purchasing views. Let me also put my MRP views, general data storage views, accounting views. That's it. So plant is CS10, storage location outbound warehouse, sales organization is CS10, distribution channel is ZS. Says that sales organization CS10, distribution channel ZS not valid. Let me check what is the distribution channel. It shows me for CS10 we have SG, and CS10 distribution channel ZS is not there. Okay, let's check the configuration, no worries. So I will again go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, assignments, sales and distribution, distribution channel to sales organization. Okay, CS10 to ZS is available here, but it is not allowing us there. So this kind of thing sometimes happens uh, when we do the copy the distribution channel and system do the automatic assignment. There is some inconsistency in the system due to which these errors you can see here. So what I will do, I will delete this assignment, sales organization to distribution channel assignment. I will delete. I will also delete my where else sales area also I will delete my CS10 to ZS. So this sales area also I will delete. So basically what I will do, I will again delete the distribution channel. I will again create a distribution channel and then assign it to the sales org and the sales area. That's what I'm going to do. So let's go to the distribution channel. Define distribution channel. ZS, I will delete it. Save it. I'm going to create this entry again.
Customer service ZS. So ZF I have created it again, and then I will do the assignments now. Assign distribution channel to sales organization, CS10 to ZS, and then I will also create a sales area. Set up sales area, CS10 to ZS to division 00. Okay, it has already created it. Check. So I will just delete this one and I will re-enter it so that there is no inconsistency in the system. CS10 ZS and 00 and save it.
So this has been done. Now here, system should be allowing us. Let me first check whether it is allowing us or not. So CS10, then sales organization CS10, and then ZS. Now it's allowing. So let's go and create it. CS10 finish 01. So views I require is basic data, sales, purchasing, MRP views, general plant data storage view, accounting view. That's it. Plant CS10, OBWH is a warehouse, CS10 is sales organization, and ZS is my distribution channel. CS10 finished material. Base unit of measure is each. Material group I will use finished. Let me check which one is finished. Let me use trading because we'll buy and we'll sell. Let me use traded. Or let me use finished. Finished I will use, okay. Gross weight 1, net weight 1. Division I will put 0, 0. That's it. Nothing is required here. Sales org here. Delivering plant I will put CS10. Classification I will put exempted. No text. Anything else we require here? I don't think. I think we are good. General item category group NORM. NORM I will put here. It's fine. Let's go ahead. General availability check SR is fine. Here I need to put transportation group 001, loading group 001. Looks fine. Let's save it. Oh, I need to also create a profit center. Let me check the profit centers. Controlling area 8000. So let me put this profit center. Maybe 700. Material has been created. Let me check the another views of material because we have not gone to the MRP views. So it has not created the MRP views. It has not created the purchasing views. So let me complete the views first. /NM01. So till sales view it has created, purchasing, MRP, and financial views are still pending. General data storage, counting. CS10, store location, outbound warehouse. Purchasing group, let me give a purchasing group here, 001. Rest, nothing is required. MRP type, let me put PD. MRP controller, let me put 001, and lot sizing, let me put EX. In-house days, let me put 2 days. Plant delivery time 3 days. And procurement type, I will put F. GR processing time, let me put 1 day. Strategy group, let me put 40. This is fine. This is fine. Let me put some price here. You need to make sure that it is active here, although it would be by default, but just to make sure it is active, I will put the price of $40. It's fine, fine, fine. So guys, material has been created. First thing I will do before I go ahead and create vendor and customer, the first thing I will do, I will try to create a uh, entry, financial entry. I will try to post some stock for this. So I will go to Migo. Let's check the integration with finance is correct or not. Good receipt 561. Material. Our material is CS10. Finish 01. Quantity, let's say put 10. Plant CS10. Store location outbound warehouse. Check. Looks fine. Post. Good. Document has been created. Stock has been put it. So financial and the inventory management and MM are in sync. So let's try to create a purchase order for it. To create a purchase order, I need a business partner. I need a vendor. And vendor I need to create as a business partner. Going to the transaction BP, going into the organization, role FLVN00. Create. Grouping will be using BPAB. My business partner CS10 underscore VN01. CS10 vendor 01. Title is company. Name is CS10 vendor 01. I need to give address 123 24 56007. City Sao Paulo. Country, let me give US. Region, let me give California. And let me also give jurisdiction code CA00. Let me give a language as English. So basic data has been created. Let me go and create a company code data. CS10. Reconciliation account. Let me put this one. What else we need to do here? Anything else we need to put here? No. Vendor payment. Let me put a payment term here. Tolerance group. Payment method. Let me also put that here. Fine, this looks fine. So let me save it. So CS10VN01 vendor has been created. Let me assign it to the sales area, sorry, purchasing area. FLVN01 supplier, purchasing. Purchase organization is CS10. Order currency USD. Payment terms, let me put all the details. 001 Incoterm version 2000 Incoterms. Okay. GR based invoice verification, shipping conditions, purchasing group. What else? It's fine. Partner function, let's see. Partner function has been taken VN. I think that's fine. This data is fine. Let me save it. So vendor has been created. Let's quickly save this one, and let's quickly create a purchase order /NME21N. Supplier, we have created CS10 VN01. Purchase org, we have created CS10. Purchase group 001. Company code CS10. Material CS10 underscore finish 01. Quantity, let's say 10. Well, let's put a little bit different quantity, 5. Plant CS10. Price need to be available here, which looks like the pricing conditions has not been copied. Pricing procedure has not been copied here. So let's check that configuration. So we'll go to materials management. So here we'll go into the price control. No, not the price control. So under the purchasing, we need to go into the conditions. Under the condition price determination process. And here we have schema determination. Let's check that. So this is based on the schema group, which is purchase organization. So our schema group is not there, and schema group for supplier is 01. So let me go back to the schema group. Define schema groups. So we have a schema group for purchase organizations, and then is it assigned? Yeah, it is assigned. So let's create our schema group for CS10. So this is CS10 schema group. And then we'll assign purchase organization to this. So CS10 will assign it here, save it, and now we'll go to the define determination for the schema groups. So I will copy these two line items. The procedure is SG05. We'll use the same procedure. It has been copied from this procedure. The schema group is CS10. CS10. Save it. Now let's try to create our purchase order. Again, I will create fresh. Supplier CS10VN01. Purchase organization CS10-001. CS10 material CS10 finish quantity 6 plant CS10. Now I need to give price. Let me give price, let's say 22. Okay. Can deliver unit, yes. Save. Purchase order for 50020 has been created. Let me copy this. Let me go to MIGO to do the GR for this. Go to receipt purchase order. Store location OBWH. Check. Okay, let's flag it okay. Check. And then post. So it says that account 42544100 requires an assignment to a CO object. So that account requires assignment to a CO object that we need to fix, which will fix it quickly. For this error, we will be going into OKB9, and in OKB9 we'll be doing some default account assignments. So here we have this entry SG05 that will copy it and we'll put it our company code CS10 here. Copy all. Valuation here, area here, we need to put CS10. Cost center, we need to create. Okay, there is no cost center assigned, so we need to create a cost center here, and then that cost center we would be used to put it here. So let's quickly create a cost center. So this is the GR document which we will re-enter. So let me go out and here we'll be going into the accounting, controlling, cost center accounting, master data, cost center, individual, create. So I will create a cost center referring to existing cost center which we have here. I will refer to this one. And I will create our own cost center CS10 001 valid from, let me put previous date, and let me save this one. So this cost center will be using it here. And let's save it. So data has been saved. Now let's go to our Migo transaction. This was our purchase order. Store location OBWH. Item OK. Check. Post. SEO account assignment objects belong to company code ST05. It looks like the cost center which we have created, we have not changed the company code for that. So let's quickly check. Accounting, controlling, cost center accounting, master data, cost center, individual, change. Company code we have not changed here, so company code would be CS 10. Save it. Let's again check it, post it. We need to re-enter it. Slash Amigo. Purchase order. Store location. Mark as item OK. Check. And then post. The document has been posted. Now let me go quickly to transaction mirror and do the invoice posting. I will put my purchase order number, which is 20. Reference number also I will put for purchase order. Amount, it is showing me 132. I will put amount here. And let's simulate. Let's post. So document has been posted. So we created end-to-end cycle. Vendor we have created a purchase order, we have created a GR, and we have also created an invoice. Now I will quickly go through, and with the same configurations which we have used in our last session, I will be running a sales scenario. So to run a complete end-to-end sales scenario, the first thing we'll be requiring is the business partner. The material will be using the same material, but we'll be requiring a customer business partner that I will quickly create. So transaction, I will be using BP. I will create the business partner with the role FLCU00. And I will be using a grouping, same grouping as BPAB. That's a standard grouping with alphanumeric number that we will be using it. And we'll give an external number for the business partner. Okay, guys, so this is a business partner FLCU00. Grouping will be using BPAB. I will give a business partner number CS10 CUS1 or CUS01. So this is my business partner number, title company, name CS10 customer. Then I will fill further details, street number, house number, pin code, city, then country US, region California, and here also I will add jurisdiction code, language English, EN, and then we'll maintain a company code data, company code CS10. Need to maintain reconciliation account, so this would be the reconciliation account. Anything else? I don't think we need to maintain it here. At the sales level, we'll maintain some more data. So I will save it. So CS10 CUS01 customer has been created. Now I will extend it to my FLCU01 role. Now in FLCU01 role, we will be maintaining sales and distribution data. Sales org we have created as CS10. Distribution channel is ZS. Division is 00. And here, do we need to maintain something here? Let's check if any data is required. No, we are okay. Let's check for shipping. Delivery priority is not required. Let me mention the delivery plant CS01. Shipping condition 01. Saying that entry CS10, delivery plant is CS10. And then let's maintain the billing related data. Encode term. Payment terms. And then text we'll be maintaining it here. Tax exempt. And then let me check partner functions. Yeah, partner functions are coming here. That's correct. Let me save it. So our business partner customer has been created. So customer has been created. So the next step is to go ahead and create a sales order. So I will go to VA01. Order type will be using OR. CS10ZS00. Yeah, that's fine. Sold to party we have just created. CS10 CUS01. Customer service, I just put it here. Then material we'll be using, we have created a material CS10 underscore finish 01. So I'll be using this. Order quantity I will put 5. We will be maintaining price for this. The PPR 0 condition. And let me maintain price 55. Okay, that is done. And then let me save it. So order number 33 has been created, and let me create a delivery for this order. Shipping point is CS10. That's what the shipping point which we have created. Let me check what shipping point we have. Let me go to slash and CS02. CA02. So VA02. So let me try to create a delivery from here. Okay, so it's determining the storage location 171A. So it's not determining the our shipping point which we have created. So we need to check the configuration. So let's check which shipping point it is getting determined. We go to shipping. So it is determining shipping point 1710. And then from 1710 it is trying to determine storage location 171A. Okay. Let's try if we can change. shipping point manually. Okay, it doesn't allow. So we need to go to the configuration and let's check from the configuration of the shipping point determination. So I'm going to SPRO and then from there SAP reference IMG. The shipping point configuration would be there under logistics execution. Within the logistics execution, we'll be having a shipping, basic shipping functions. And here we would be having shipping point determination, assign shipping points. So let's check that. So for CS10 plant, we have these for this loading group. This is our loading group is 001. Shipping condition is this. So shipping point should be CS10. That is the first thing we need to define here. Shipping point should be CS10. Let me save it. Now let me try to change here. Okay, it's accepting, it's changing. Let me also try to put it story location OBWH. Save, saving, and then let's create a delivery for this. Deliver. No schedule induce. Okay, let me put a little bit later date. Okay, so let's do the picking first. Let me save with the picking. So delivery has been created. Let me also do the goods issue. I will do the post goods issue. So post goods issue has also been done, and let me now also do the billing. VF01. So this is the billing document. This is the pricing information. Let me save it. So document 9004 has been created. Let's view this document. Let's also check whether accounting document has been created. Yes, accounting and controlling documents also has been created. So this way what we have done, we have quickly configured our system with our own org structure, our own elements, and now we would be able to play around in the system any configuration changes which we want to do it for the company code, plant, or we can create our own materials, business partner, whatever the different scenarios we want to run it with different configuration, we can easily do it without disturbing the best practice scenarios. We can utilize the best practice scenarios where basically you can use the company code 1710 and you can use the best practice test scripts to do the scenarios, but we need to make sure we don't do any customization changes in the best practice company code and plants, and we don't do any master data changes for the best practices master data. So for master data for business partners starting from 17, your vendor starting from 17 is the standard master data which came from SAP to run best practice specific scenarios. So if anything you will change there, it will not work. So if you want to run best practices, use company code 1710. If you want to play around with configuration, use these steps to configure your system with your own company code, with your own plant, and then you can freely play around with the configuration which is at the company code and plant level. Please make sure don't change any client level configurations. Don't change any configuration which is at your controlling area level until unless you have created your own controlling area. If you want to do some changes which is at the client level or controlling area standard 8000 or some configuration you want to change it, please consult your trainer or consult your supervisor and get that change from them. I hope you enjoyed this session, and by following these steps, you would be able to configure your system for sales and procurement scenarios. So thank you for joining, and we would be catching you again with more videos. You can subscribe our YouTube channel, and you can also, if any queries are there, you can also visit our website sastrageek.com for the SAP trainings, and you can also drop us email on support@sastrageek.com. We are available on WhatsApp on this number. Thank you for joining. Bye bye for now.